Okay, let's talk about how to play Tweety Pie. This is one of our favorite games to play. Tweety Pie is an either or game. You need one of the two numbers in each row. In each row, you just need one of the two numbers. The little Sylvester and Tweety spots are free spaces. You need to get one of the two numbers on all of the card to win the game. Before anybody else gets all the numbers, you have to get them. One in each row, though, okay? So you need one of the two numbers.
58.
And remember, these are free spots. So you need 2 or 11, 7 or 10. And the way these numbers are divided, it's B's, I's, N's, G's, and O's. B, I, N, G's, and O's. Okay, that's my first number. I have 10, so I need 7 or 10 in this row, so I'm going to mark both of these, okay?
10.
They call one, you mark both. Oh, there's 11. I have 11 right here. I need 2 or 11 in this row, and since there's 11, I can mark both. Because if you can see, there's a little bitty word right here that says or. So you need one or the other. Oh, there's my next number. 34. And I got my free spaces. So I don't need any more B's and I don't need any more N's. I need I's, G's, and an O. A lot of people get confused because they think they need all 4 of these numbers or they think they need both or whatever.
46.
No. In each row, you need one number, okay? This game goes pretty fast. If you have really good numbers,
25.
it'll go fast. And some people have like 4 or 5 of these free spaces on their card.
$37.
I don't need any more B's. I don't need any more B's.
1.
So that's G48. We're going to go down. Remember, it's B, I, N, G's, and O's. Here are my G's. I don't have 48.
48.
Remember, it's either or. One of the two numbers. If there's an or there, it's one of the two numbers.
47. 28. 68.
Okay. There's I-27. So these are B's. Here's my I's. I'm going to look in this section, and there's 27 right there. 20 or 27.
27.
I'm going to mark both of those. Okay, that's the next number coming up is 24. Go down to the I area. There's 24. I need 23 or 24, so I can mark both.
24.
Oh, my numbers are coming out back to back. 69's down here. Remember, B-I-N-G-O, 69. And it's 69 or 73, so I can mark both. And remember, these are free spaces. These are free spaces, so I can mark the little Tweety Pie, the Tweety Bird, because it's a free space.
20.
So, right now, I only need 2 numbers. Yes, there's 4 numbers right here, but I only need 2 of these 4 numbers. I need 49 or 54 in that row.
21.
And then I need 55 or 57 in this row. So I need one of these 2 numbers and one of these 2 numbers. I only need 2 numbers to win.
63.
Oh my gosh, we need G's. We need 2 G's to come out. Come on, hold it, hold it, hold it. 2 G's.
8.
Oh my gosh. We need 2 G's. 49 or 54, 55 or 57. Just need 2 numbers.
64.
Oh. We didn't get it this time. Somebody just called bingo. They're gonna put it up in the screen and they're gonna verify it. They're gonna put it up in the screen and they're gonna verify it. They're gonna put it up in the screen. They're gonna look at this verify number right here, and they're gonna type that into the screen. And then they're gonna put that person that yelled bingo, it's gonna put her card up on the screen, and we can all see if they have a bingo. And she does have a good bingo. Let me show you guys. You see it? Look, they're gonna do another one. Somebody else yelled bingo. Somebody else yelled bingo. And there you go. You can see they have a good bingo. But that's how you play Tweety Pie. That's how you play Tweety Pie. And always remember, you don't want to color over these verify numbers with a dark color or they can't verify your bingo, okay? Always use a light color when you daub over the verify number, or make sure that they can see your numbers just in case they can't pull it up in the system, okay? But that's how you play Tweety Pie, one of our favorites and very easy either or game.